Hi friends, the purpose of this video is to educate you all about loan scams that have been happening recently in more and more in number. Uh, what these people do is while downloading the app they get access to your contact list, and they use it for blackmailing you to get more and more money. First place, they'll disperse the loans without your consent and charge a lot of processing fees and other charges. And when you uh, pay them on time, they'll disperse more loans. If you don't pay them, they'll start harassing you um, for their money by sending you messages on WhatsApp, calling you multiple times from international numbers, and bothering you day in and day out. And they may also contact your contact list and threaten you that since they have this contact list, they may share your morphed nude pictures and threaten you to pay more and more. So there is no end to this. So I just want to educate you that even if you want to repay them, there is no way out. So please be brave. Do not pay these guys. I'll see here there are more than 1 million plus downloads of this app. That means even if you consider half of them are no, fake users who give positive reviews, still there are at least 3 to 4 lakh victims of this uh, last Taka app. This is not the only app. There are many apps in the market, but let me introduce this app today, and in future we'll cover more and more apps and educate people about this. See, what these people do is uh, they mention that they have very reliable interest rates, but they don't do that. Their intention is not to give you loan and recover the loan. Their intention is to extract more and more money from you by getting access to your contact list. See, some of these they give you 1,200, and in return they'll charge you 3,000 for the loan with other charges. And if you pay, they will sanction more and more such loans to extract more money from you. So the moment you pay them, they know that you are a easy target for them. Okay, so I suggest you do not pay. Even if you want to get rid of them, this is not the way. And if you pay them, then you become their easy target. Do not repay them. In case if you repay them, see here, if you repay them, what happens is, I'll show you. Large Taka, if you repay them, uh, they will sanction more and more loans, and they will trap you. I'll show you. See, if you pay them, see, already paid, payment done, and they sanction a new loan of 34 and a half, but only 20,000 came to his account. That means he'll have to pay almost 35,000 plus their charges, so it may come up to 40K or 45K. Uh, they may have sanctioned this larger loan because they may be very sure that he'll pay back, and they may have some of his weakness, or probably he is afraid and he would have requested them not to share any of his photos or anything with their contacts, because of which they are now very sure that um, they can get their money back, so they are sanctioning larger loans. So I request you not to pay them anything. So instead, what you have to do is make up your mind first that this you are going to solve this, but not by paying them. Go to reports page of Google. I'll share the link with you. Mention your name, application package name. You will get it here in the Google Play Store. Go here. This after is equal to, this is the application package name. Enter this, and select it as unlawful activities, and explain your problems. Share all the proof whatever you have. If they have been blackmailing you, calling multiple times, share all the information. And the Google, it may be still in the Google Play Store, so select yes, and select your location, and give this link so that Google Play will be aware of this situation and they'll remove them from Play Store. See, if you look at it, there are 1 million plus downloads, but not many may have reported to them, because of which it still remains in Play Store, and lot more people will download, looking at the credibility of 1 million plus downloads. In fact, um, this is not true. They are not a legitimate service provider, so they have to be removed from Play Store. So you do your part by reporting it here, and also go to cybercrime website, register yourself as a new user, mention your email address, phone number, and register yourself, and raise a complaint in cyber portal as well. Last thing we'll have to do is go to Twitter, identify all the tweets that are there with that keywords, and retweet all of them and help those tweets to reach more and more people. Because if more and more people do not receive such tweets, then people will not be aware of the situation, because this awareness is very important. More the awareness is, this company's business will not run for more days. And the benefit of raising complaint with cybercrime is that you may not get your money back, or you may not see the direct benefit, but I would suggest you please do this complaint, because more the number of people complain, the government will be aware of the extent of this problem. Because if two or three people complain, then it is like the problem is of 3,000 or extent of 5,000 or 10,000, which is not a big deal for them. But if thousands or 2,000 people raise complaints, obviously these people can also not have their cases open, because when you raise a complaint with this portal, FIR gets registered. Otherwise, if you go to nearest police station, they may deny to register a complaint, and they may convince you that this is not going to work, please go back. So instead, you please raise a complaint here directly. These cases get allocated to your nearest cyber police station, and the case where you will have acknowledgement number, and you can check the status of the case. So obviously they cannot close the case without solving this. And if more and more cases get accumulated like this, then they'll have to give a resolution before closing the case. So I suggest, I'm sure there are more than 10 to 15 lakh victims in the market, but hardly anybody is registering the complaint. So I request you to register the complaint in cyber portal first place. And in Twitter, spread awareness, include Google Play Store also in your tweet. Google, include top officials from finance, include prime minister's office, finance minister's office, everyone, and keep tweeting. And whatever tweet you see regarding this, retweet them, like them, share them, and ensure these tweets reach more and more people. And finally, now that you are a victim of such scam, and the company has entire contact list, what will you do now? So making payment is not the right choice, because if you do, they will extract more money from you. So finally, I suggest you to educate your inform all your contacts that such things has happened, and a fraud company has access to your contact list, and they're harassing you. And whatever message they have, you keep in background if required. And otherwise, just make a plain one, and just inform all your contacts that there is such fraud happening, and please ignore any message received from any unknown numbers. And because these people message from international numbers, obviously most of the people will understand. But even then, I suggest you to make a profile pic, or if not profile pic, make it a status, and update your status with such message for about 15 to 20 days. By then all your contacts will know. After that, you do not have to worry about anything. Okay, so once again, I request you, do not make any payment to these companies. If you make payment, that means you are encouraging them to do more of this, and you yourself will be the next target for them. Because once you paid that, then they know that you are capable of paying more. So they may either they may not close the loan, like in my case, they have not closed the loan, and they're asking me to pay more and more, and they're just increasing the repayment amount even after paying. They're saying that they have not received the money. So that is one thing they can do. Otherwise, they will close the existing loan and sanction you a larger loan with larger processing fees and larger interest rate, and you end up paying more and more if you pay this. So I suggest you do not pay anything. Inform cyber police, inform Google Play Store, and try to educate more people through Twitter. And whatever tweets are already there, share them, like them. You also tweet more and more, and ensure this message reaches to more and more people. If you need any help, reach out to me on my email address. I'll share my email address in the comment, in the description. And let's all fight together. Let's not be afraid of them. Do not pay them. All right. Thank you.